All right, good morning, those of you who are joining us here on YouTube. I have right now, we are trading live since 9 a.m. in the morning Eastern Time. We just have a couple of things to go through in the markets. Now we're having some resistance right at the 44.51s. We are using pure order flow and market profile to trade here in the room. We've been doing pretty well this morning. Yesterday we did about, I think, 60 to, I believe 60 points. That's what I did across my accounts. Now we're seeing the market is stuck here on these 48. We just took a bunch of trades before we went live on this YouTube channel. We did a couple of them at 38. I went long 40. I got out at 43. Reloaded a couple of them somewhere here on the 45. Now looking for a pullback. What I'm expecting for the market to do is try to balance right here, right between that 42 and 50. We need to break above this 50, right, in order for us to get above and see period now open. We want to make sure, right, we break this 51 right here, 52, the high of the day, for us to move higher into this 54. You guys recall how early on pre-market we did talk about that number right around the 56 and around the 58. We need to break through it, right, to really screw up with the bears again. The bears trying to get control of the market early on this morning. They got a big shot out right on those 37 mark. We were able to look at the wall of bids sitting right here on the 37s and 36. And now look where we are now, right on these 49s, 50s. Again, VWAP has been a hassle. With VWAP on today, we have seen how VWAP is giving us a headache. Every time we go to VWAP, we get rejected. Now we're trying to print a couple of things here on VWAP. But if you look at the market overall, right, pretty straightforward. You see how we were printing higher lows the moment we start getting away from that 38 area. They just gave you that 44 entry right here. That give you a move back into the 50s, about 6 points. And now going back down to this 47 area, I have a couple of things that I want you to be aware of. One of them is, oops, let me move these things out of the way for now. Looking at the order flow, we're still seeing some walls here, some pockets of buyers trying to show up right around the 46s and 45. If you look at the 44 here, a couple of people are stuck here trying to buy those 44s and looking to reload. So I will be doing the same. I mean, the same thing these guys are planning to do. That's exactly what I'm doing. You see how they're pulling here. They have a big order, so they might do a flip here, guys. There is a big order sitting at 46.50 here. 340, we just dumped a couple of them at 46. Let's see. We could get that expansion, Mr. Caesar. Right? We could be looking for something there, Caesar. See if we can get back. Hold on. Because I have an order here. I want to go long right now, guys, here on the 45. Give me 1 second. Let's see if they're going to pull my order here. I mean, execute my order right up deep. I want to get right underneath there. You see we are at the 44.55 combo. Those of you who are using a spot gamma, we are right at the combo, and we just went and tagged it. And that's where I want to be. Right, so I want to be buying that open and seeing this market roll over to the 50s, 51s, and that will be sweet, 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 sweet. Right, those of you joining us on YouTube and those who follow me on Twitter, I've been absent for about a month, maybe a month and a half, not a month and a half, I think about a month. I've been quite busy here with the guys. I haven't gone live on YouTube. We're going live today. We're going to be here for about an hour, maybe 30 to 40 minutes until 11 a.m. Eastern. We've been trading oil. We did pretty well on oil yesterday from that 65.80s, maybe 66, and now a 67.20. Trading already the October contract. Here goes the ES. Man, I was waiting for that 45. I didn't get loaded on the 45s. Let's see. What are we going to do here? Because they just came to that 45 and immediately went back to 49. See what the ES trying to print, trying to hold that open, guys. Trying to hold the open on the ES.
120 at 44.49. Iceberg buy 137 at 44.49. Iceberg sell 162 at 44.49.
49.50, 70 again, 49.75, now 50. We got a couple of them executing right here. MBAX 236. I'm loving MBAX now. Sava holding the 111s. Now look at digital turbines. Digital turbines now 15 to 52.20, so that's pretty good for my puts. Is looking pretty good, guys. Like Sava, digital turbines, and MBAX looking fantabulous right now. We're going to be playing this game on the ES, long 45s, back to 48s, get 3 to 4 points on it, get 12 points on 3 contracts. Here we come again. We're coming to 45. Oil, in the meantime, dropping to 67 again. Having a hard time going above the 67.30 early on. We just printed 67.40. So I'll see if I can collect those 15 ticks in it. The range on C period, if you look at the C period for today, the range, I mean, not much. I mean, about 2-3 points maybe from 45 to 50. 5 points actually on the ES. That's all you're seeing. Money rotating back into technology, guys, out of the industrials into the tech. Look at the rotation on the move out of the markets. Still, the Dow Jones taking a beating of about 1%. The overall market down less than half, maybe 0.6% right now on the ES. The biggest hit was Amazon early on in the morning. We were down about 35 bucks. Now Amazon only, what, printing 32.72s? And I like Amazon at these levels, guys. I really like Amazon at these levels. I am probably going to contemplate a couple of moves here on Amazon before the end of the day. Right, printing 47 on the ES. I'm looking for 45, 44 to go long again. NVIDIA, fantastic. Down only $3 now. I bought a couple of calls on it. Let's see if NVIDIA is going to work out. Valero looking good. Let's see what Valero is going to do in PSX here at these levels with the oil. Guys, here comes 46. They're going to fill my order at 45. There is a good chance they're going to fill my order here at 45, and I'm going to hold on to that baby till 50. Collect those 5 points. Here comes. Value area low is 42, right? And that's where the next order of mine is, right at 42. So let's see if this is going to play out well. And for those of you that are interested in joining our room, our trading room, there is actually a summer thing that I run back, and it's still the same price. I haven't changed any of it. A couple of guys approached me on that, so it's still $99 to join our trading room, where we have actually, I mean, we've done pretty well. I'll show you, we can show you the live trading that we do, and you will see how profitable the guys in the room have been consistent now, day after day here in the room. Let me go to the downloads here and pull a couple of things here. Okay, 45 they just got me at 45 long, guys. They just executed my 45 long. Back at 47 now. I want those 50s. I want to make sure they hold these 50s and clear those 50s for me to go higher. Sava still going, baby. Sava coming to 112. Now almost positive digital turbine after being down almost $2. Digital turbine, guys, now positive.
Iceberg buy 120 at 44.46.
Is this the one? Let me see. Yes, I believe this is the one. Right, those of you new to the room on YouTube, this is the special that I ran all the way in the summer for the month of July, and it's still going. I have not, right? I have not changed those prices. It's still at 99 bucks. Those of you who are willing to learn a brand new system of trading in the markets, this is the only way to do it. Be consistent in the room, show up, do your homework. I'm about to load the boat on FAS, FYI, FAS. I'm going to buy some stocks here. That's on the financial sector, right? Moderna shares up 6% today, right? They approved the COVID-19 shot for 12 to 17 years old in the UK, and now the stock roaring 6%. Looking good, looking good. I like DocuSign. Let me go back to DocuSign. I like the 122, guys. I'm going to buy about 100 shares here. I think I'm going to put 100 shares to work. Guys, Digital Turbine about to go positive for the day. Anyone else went long on that 45? I will be looking for the 50s to get out of my trade. Oil keep giving me the 67 entry, and I'm chicken out every time. I need to make a decision on that trade because it looks good. There you go, Omar, long 44. Nice, Omar. Here goes 48. Right, let's go. Let's go. Show me some money here. Right, let me go back to my MBAX. MBAX 235 holding. I need Sava above the 114 for today. Digital Turbines. I'm going to do something crazy with Digital Turbine. I am about to do something crazy with Digital Turbine, and that is I'm going to close my puts. I'm going to close half of those puts on Digital Turbine, right? On apps, let me close half of them, and I'm going to try to sell them much higher. Remember, this morning, when we drop, we were printing $1.10. So I'm going to try to do the same thing, man. I will try to get them and sell them much, much higher. Right? I'm going to buy it out right now. Let's see if we're going to get it. Come on, sweetie. All I need is 50 cents. We sold them for 63 cents. Here goes 51 on the ES, guys. Nice long out of the 45s. Guys, that was a fantabulous move on that ES. Right? ES looking good. ES looking good right here. Come on, come on. Hit me, hit me, hit me. Right, get those 10 points out of the way, and boom. There you go, Caesar. Long 46. I am long 45. Those of you guys, some of you guys got a better price than what I got. I think Omar got 44 and 75. Man, I barely took that freaking 45. I'm trying to get out of those puts on my Digital Turbine and loading now financials. 122s on financials. I'm going long FAS, trying to get back to 124, buying 500 shares on it. If the bulls get it together, yes. The problem is that 51 that we have in, right? I show you on the market profile. You need to go back to the market profile in order to see that. Hold on, let me change my order here. I have a position. They haven't closed my order. Very slow today on Thinkorswim on my execution of the options. My things are not getting executed. Oh, never mind. They just executed, I believe. No, they did not. No, they haven't yet. OIH, I am positive on OIH now. Oil going to 67.50. But we need to see if the rotation coming together. We see the NQ back above 15,000. NQ above 15,000 again, right? For the 20,000 time over the past 2 weeks. Trying to hold on to that 15,000. If we see money flying into the FANG stocks, then you will get this move out of the market and print that 4,500 by Friday, right? We can get that 4,500 by Friday. Okay, 44.50 here. I will get rid of them and ring the register, baby. All right. M-Box holding. M-Box is still holding. Triple Qs, 135s. Let's see what triple Qs are going to do now. 122.03 on the financials. FAS. I'm going to be playing the FAS soon. Tesla coming back to 170. I like that. Digital turbines. I need digital turbines to turn positive right here. Right? 55 cents. I can collect those $100, but I want to collect the whole $400 on it. Saba looking good. OIH looking good. Unity software looking good. So not bad for today, guys. Fantastic. No one showing up at 51 and the market roaring back now down. I guess I'm going to be reloading this baby. All right, rinse and repeat, guys. Rinse and repeat. Come on, come on, come on. Where are you? Boeing holding to the 220s. I will do the same thing I did with you guys back in the beginning of June, selling the 205 and the 210s on Boeing. Right? Gonna play the same game, guys. Same game, baby. All right. G Salute, go get those single. Replace that order. You know what? They are not getting me here. All right. Get me out. Did they get me out? All right. They got me out of that trade on Digital Turbine. So now I am free out of Digital Turbine. I have Saba, the 108 for tomorrow. The 108. My break even is 105 on Saba, and I am long OIH, and I am about to go long 500 shares on FAS. Right? Come on, baby. Show me the money. 51, come on. We need to break this 51, guys. We definitely need to break this 51. Here we go. Try to break it. There you go. Lift it.
Iceberg buy 148 at 44.52.
Lift it.
Iceberg sell 130 at 44.
Bunch of icebergs are showing up there. The bears not giving up. We break IB high. We flying, baby. We break IB high 52. We're flying to those 55. Here is the break. Bye-bye, bears. Thank you for playing with us. You guys are boom. It's Crude big time for the second time in the week. Every time they hit that 37, you get long, baby. That has been the theme for the week. Yesterday we got long on those 37s. Today we got long on those 40s. Same game. They are still pushing. You saw that big bazooka showed up on those stop runs. So we runs on the stop runs here about the 52s, right? And now below, they are pushing again, trying to get it. Let's see if these guys are going to have enough room here. But that was a bazooka that they were going to get it. We knew that. We knew they were going to get it. So that was fantabulous. Good move, guys. Those of you who grabbed that stock all the way to 53s or 52s, kudos to you guys. We have 10 more minutes to go till 11 a.m. in the morning. We already have, I have like about 25 points maybe on my other account. And playing small, I've been doing only one lot, two lots, one lot, two lots, reloading, rinse and repeats. So kudos to you guys. Fantabulous day. Another fantabulous green, super green day hitting the room. I have made my decision. I am not going to chase this oil. I have crappy coming up today. I will be out most of the day after 11 a.m. So I am not going to be chasing these oil, guys. So I hesitated too much on that 66.50, and now I am paying the price. I will look for reload right underneath, Jonathan. Jonathan, I'll be looking to reload 47s maybe, so that your 44, you see this floor right here? This 44 needs to hold for you, 45. So I will be looking to reload that 47, right? If they come to that 47, I'll be looking to reload and front run it right here, right? That's what I'm looking for. Front run that 48, they need to show up and don't go below the open. Now, the open and the IB high are extremely important, right? Extremely important. As I'm about to close the room in about 10 minutes, this is what you want to see. You want to see them hold on to the IB period high. If I put everything into one column here, right, you see how we are playing on it. By the way, why do I have this? This is the gap from yesterday. We got rid of that. Let me delete that and delete this. Okay, that's just pure noise on my charts. We just came to the overnight point of control. We need to break above that VPOC from overnight point of control. Give me the move into the 62s and squeeze those guys. As you guys are buying the market, the pullbacks on the market, okay, those of you buying the market, 49.25, that's the previous day open. 45.75, that is today's open. I want to be long right here. I will wait for the trade to come to me. If I'm gonna be chasing any stock, I will be any pullback, excuse me, I'm gonna be chasing the 50s, right? 50s, hold on the IB high, which we are about to go inside of it again. We are testing that IB high, right? There is the test. This is what you want to see. You go long here, let them break into those 54s, and we are going to be maybe going to 58. Place a runner. If you put a runner on, you know that your potential move is for them to test you and take you to the open, to 45, right? Remember, those stinky bears are still around. They just don't get tired, right? This was a good move out of the 38 today in the morning. So the game plan number 1 or number 2, whatever it was, is still playing really nicely, right, today. And like I mentioned before, as we opened the room, right, what to look for today. There it was, right? The market was going to open right on the 49s. We opened 46s. We came to the 40s and we held on to that number. I wonder why. This is why it is so important for you to prepare yourself daily as you come into the markets, right? We came back and we said, guys, these volume nodes, they are going to hold, and they did nicely. Fantabulous. Fantabulous setup early on in the morning, following the plan, executing your trades, and just let them go, baby. Look where we are. We are currently right in here on the 52s, so we still have some room to go. I want to get the market back into the 60s, right onto this volume node right there. That's my target overall for today. We need to get into the 60s, squeeze those bears so that tomorrow we can get them into the 74 tonight, right? Keep squeezing them, baby. Keep squeezing those bears. So as the market's pulling back here, good job, those of you following the plan. Look for these to hold, these 49. Like I told Jonathan, I'll probably be looking to get long here, right? Get long right there, very close to the overnight low. I want to go long so that they give me the move back up. I don't want them to drop below that overnight low. I do not want this to happen, right? So here is my line in the sand. That will be my stop. I don't want to go all crazy and give my money away, right? That's what I should be looking for the rest of the day, guys. All right, there you have it. First target 54, going long those 47s. I'm gonna post this back into the chat box. Those of you premium members, you guys have that setup right there, and that's the same setup that I will probably execute across my accounts. Let me go back to Digital Turbine, see if Digital Turbine is pulling back, because I want to sell them higher. And yes, they are pulling back now to 52. I like it. So now I can sell them back at 67 cents. There you go. Those puts, 50 puts, are now 60 cents. Early on, they were about $1.10. So Sava now printing below 110, so I might get executed on my Sava. I am short the 108 put, therefore my average is going to be 105. I collected $431 on that. So I'm looking forward, baby. Looking forward to that, to hold on. Let me go back to my FAS because I have another trade here going on the financials. FAS printing 121.90. I am buying 300 shares right now. The money is, if you look at FAS, let me put it on the screen here. FAS, the money is right at 51, I believe. 121, excuse me. Sava, in the meantime, Sava holding here on the 110s. My puts are the 108, and if you look, there is a wall of bids right on the 108.50 and the 108 for today. So I need to make a decision on it. Citigroup dropping from that 72, but I really screw it up by not going long that 71.40 early on. They're coming. They went to 72.30. They gave me about $1,000 on it. I kind of missed that tier 1 right there. So nothing to do. FAS, here is what I'm looking for on these ETF for the financials. The money appears to be right there on the 121, so I'm going to wait it out, see if they're going to give it to me now. 120, it appears to be healthy. I like it. I like my JP Morgan. I like my SMH for the semiconductors. Semiconductors pulling before from 255, now on the 257s. So this is another one that I told you I'm going to load the boat right here on those 250s. See, either the NVIDIA trade or I go with my SMH and SOXL. But if you look at, I like the NVIDIA trade right on these 194s, right at the open this morning. The moment we open, we just went to that 197, about $3. Now pulling back a bit here, so let's see if I'm gonna get them. This 196, it appears to be a good amount of orders here. This can give me the trade, but it's only about $1. I need to put about 500 shares. So I will need about 500 shares to make $500 on it. Apple breaking 151 early on, is still holding 151. This was a good trade, you know. I haven't traded Apple since, well, not day traded. I still own it from the 115, but it is what it is. I don't want to be trading that. Now, here we go, 44.47 on the ES. My order, let's see if they're going to execute it right now. All right, here goes my order on that ES. Come on, sweetie, get me. $121.89 FAS. I want to get that 121 even. Dow Jones, there you go. They just filled my order, 47 long, right? 47 long out of being all the way to the 53s. What are we seeing here on the Dow Jones? Dow Jones dropping again, right? Dow Jones rotating money back into the financials. I'm sorry, back into the technology. And oh, let me go to Boeing, because Boeing is another one of my trades that I need to execute today. I like that Boeing trade at 220s. I need to start selling my 200 puts on Boeing. Boeing down $5 today. Is there any news related today? Or just craziness? Let me see. What do we have today? I like this. What do you call it? I like this headline. Boeing gets more orders for the 737-9. They just don't want to call it a MAX. I like that. All right, so Boeing is right down at 223, expiring in 3 days. They are paying about $1 for the 217. So we can collect another $500 here. Let me sell some singles. How much are they paying? 93 cents for the 217, about $5, $6 from where it is. You know what, guys? I like this trade. I like this trade on Boeing. So I'm going to sell 5 of them. I'm going to sell 5 puts. I'm going to sell the 217 collecting $500 from now till Friday. My break even, $216, $216. There you have it on the screen. This is what I'm selling right now, expiring in 3 days. The 217 put, collecting $480, free money. Go get it. There you go. Execute it. There you go. I love it. Actually, they sold it for 99 cents. Can you believe it? They sold it for $1. What is my average? They sold it, Boeing, where are you? They sold it for 99 cents. I thought I was going to get it for, what do you call it? For 88 cents. Now they sold it for 98 cents. So I collected $500 on my Boeing trade right now, expiring in 3 days. Long the ES 47s. I'm going to start selling the ES now. Right? Time to sell some ES puts for tonight. I mean, for 3 days from today. All right. Are they going to pay me more money? Yesterday, I did about $1,000 on that trade. This expires on 3 days. Let me see how much are they paying now for the 44.20 again. I'm going to keep playing. I'm going to keep playing with these guys like there is no tomorrow.
Iceberg by 166 at 44.47.
Right.
Iceberg by 222 at 44.47.
Okay, here we go again. Same rinse and repeat. Okay. If I sell 4 of them, I'm gonna collect $2,000. My break even is 44.10, which is the 0 gamma. All right, this is the 0 gamma right there. 0 gamma. So 2150 I can collect right now, but if I let it go below the 244, which I want, I might collect even more money. So this is the trade that I'm going to put on right now on the ES, selling the 44.20, expiring in about 72 hours, 3 days. Okay, next trade on is on, baby. It is on. Oh, I collect for 1150 now, almost $3,000. That's good. Okay, even better. 1150, not bad. Can I sell it for more right now as the market comes to the 45? The 45 now, the open. We are at the open right now on the ES. That open needs to hold. Can I sell it for $12? Let me see if I can sell this for 12. 12, that would be equals to 44.43. So might sell it for 12.50. They're trying to get a hold of that 43. These guys are very smart, these bears. Just wait for the bazooka that is coming to them right now. All right, I'm sending the order in. Order is gone. Sayonara. Order is on. Let me go back to Boeing and let me go back to FAS, guys. Sava is now in the money. Oh, that is not good. I'm going to get executed on Sava for sure. I will be okay owning Sava 105 long. By the way, Sava just dropped below the 108 put that I have on. So that's fine. I'm going to get executed on Friday. Digital Turbine. Now I can collect the 50 put. I can collect 73 cents on it. So let me go back to my FAS because I want to get those 121s. There you go. FAS coming to 121.50 now. As the market dropping hit a bit, about 3 points from that 47 that I got long. Let me see if I can probably take one more lot here or wait for those 43s to come to me. 43.25 now. Let's see. Come on, baby. Hit me, hit me, hit me. This is the value area low. By the way, those of you following the market profile, we are right at the value area low on D period. It is 11:10, guys. I have to go to do a couple of things, couple of errands, run some meetings early on before I head out to my second office this afternoon. I haven't gone to my second office since last week. Kind of lazy. Got lazy because I went to Austin. I've been so busy with my other businesses, and I told my friend, forget it, I'm gonna go into the second office this week. So we've been trading oil. We are actually long oil still across the board. We are long oil across the board on all my other accounts. Okay, here comes 43s. Zava 107s down $10. What's going on with Zava? With just the backdrop, or there any news on Zava? Let me go back to my Zava trade here. Excuse me. I want to be ready for whatever funny business they have going on Zava. Nothing. Someone did a sweep on the 150 and the 120 calls. Those could be probably guys getting out of their trades. Open interest, but about 5,000. That's not bad. I'm gonna still play in their same games. All right, guys, it is 11:10. I will be shutting down everything right now. Just got my wife to give me the heads up. Dude, get out. I'll be seeing you guys later. I'll be back, I would say probably 3 p.m. Central, which is 4 p.m. right at the close. But I'll be on the mobile for sure for about an hour because I have to drive to Galleria. I have to drive to Galleria and then head out to Katy. So that's going to take me about 2 hours drive. So yeah, give me about 2 hours to be back with you guys. By the way, yesterday I was online with you. I don't think nobody was here in the room yesterday in the afternoon. I don't know if you guys left because you guys make so much money early on in the morning. I was giving you some couple of hints early on in the afternoon. I will do the same today. I have a lunch with someone and then after that I am free. But I will come back and trade some more ES with you guys. Currently 11:15 now. Zava dropping to 107. I like it. I'm still like the trade here. And I am about to get fill on my financials at 121, FYI. They are going to fill my order 121 long on that ETF direction chairs on the financials. The symbol FAS. I've been waiting for that 121 for a while now. All right, guys, thank you so very much. I'm going to stop everything right now. Take care. Those of you guys who are going to be seeing this in YouTube, I will be coming live on YouTube for the rest of the month at around 10:30 Eastern Time for about half an hour. I was doing 1 hour of power live. I was going back and forth with the stocks and oil and the EMini. Now we are only doing pure EMini and oil. Nonetheless, I'm giving plenty of advice. If you guys have any questions about stocks and things like that, I will be creating those videos because I got a good response from you guys on YouTube. I do appreciate those comments and those personal DMs that you guys sent me about creating those 3 minutes, 90 seconds videos on stocks. I have a bunch of ideas about 30 to 35 stocks ideas that I have going on right now on top of my head. And I'll see if I'll be creating those videos either tonight or tomorrow and post some more on YouTube. And then starting today actually, going live on YouTube at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So please spread out the voice. I'll be giving you guys more feedback and more info on my tweet feed. Again, if you don't follow me yet, ES Live 8 on Twitter. That's where you need to follow us. I have a bunch of things prepared for the rest of the summer, and going into our close of the year will be a fantastic close of the year. So again, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care. God bless you guys. Be seeing you guys later. All right, they just execute my short put on the ES, collecting 13. I don't know how much I collected, but they sold it at 1300. So let me show you guys.